Okay, we don't have too many more of these videos left because school is almost over. I do tend to wonder how long it will take till school's over. And I do think I'll miss playing with Bitmojis every day. Maybe I'll find a way to do that. So our word was mature in the biological sense, but you often think of mature in the behavioral sense. So fully developed, it could be mentally, physically, psychologically, or perfectly grown is what we're going for. And in the case of biology, that means fully developed or able to reproduce. In the case of what you're probably thinking, that means in control of one's emotions and behavior when people ask you to be more mature. On par, though, you are technically immature. Biologically, you are not fully developed. Physically, many of you have many years for that. And mentally, a lot of studies have pointed out that until you're 25, your brain isn't done wiring itself. So if someone calls you immature, just say that's appropriate for your age. You're not supposed to be mature yet. So mature habitat has many species. We talked about succession. When it's fully developed, early on during succession, an immature habitat has very few weedy species. And if the climate is right, it can develop over hundreds or thousands of years. A mature dog can be trained. An immature dog, a puppy, cannot be trained. So that's a great non-example. So puppies are not mature. They are not ready to be trained. They will poop wherever they think they need to. They will not listen to you. Puns are a sign of maturity, that you've had a lot of life experience and you get the references. They can also be quite immature too. But we're going through it. Orion's Belt, big waste of space, terrible joke, only 3 stars. There's a couple puns in that one. This is the salt, science pun. Yeah, you know it. What's the buffalo say to his son when he left for college? Bye, son. Yes, it gets worse. Ooh, a category 3 hurricane. Oh, that's a cute one. Oh, science one. What do you call an acid with an attitude? Amino acid. Mean. I'll pack my bags. All right, an adventure. Well, well, well. What do we have here? Yeah, okay. I'm so angry I could krill someone. Well, the whale would krill you. Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. Anybody? Anybody? You tired yet? If you can think of a better fish pun, let me know. That's enough fish puns. We should totally scale back. I agree. So my puns are quality, and if you don't think so, find a better one and send it my way. The video was all about the Anthropocene, which was our bonus word for the vocabulary quiz. Scientists are calling this current epoch or time period the Anthropocene because of the ridiculous impact humans are having on the world in the last 200 years. We are leaving a geological imprint. Trace metals of rare earth metals like platinum from all our cars and stuff are being left where our road networks are. People in a million years will find where our roads are because of those trace metals left in the ground, where they should be just scattered randomly. There will be in lines and patterns. Plastics will be left places. And the actual land has been ridiculously shaped. We have carved out mountains. We have extended land in places. We have removed land in places. So we are, for better or for worse, making a huge impact on the planet. Chapter 21 terms. Hopefully you took the quiz. Again, the bonus word was Anthropocene, talking about our human impact. And we're going to get to that. Page 498 to 503 is section 1. We'll do section 1 today when I get the slides worked up. And then section 2. Then we're going to talk about a carbon footprint. That might go Edpuzzle. I know some of you have voiced concerns about Edpuzzle, but I won't put any open-ended questions in that one. Next week will just be kind of fun review. As we wrap things up, obviously you get Monday off because, holidays still happen. And then Tuesday through Friday, we still technically have school. In fact, next Monday, you're supposed to have a half day. So we'll see if anybody comes to the half day. Now, I'm still Zoom meeting. I'm going to Zoom meet today from 3 to 4 and next week from 3 to 4. These are the last 2 Zoom meetings just to hang out, talk about what's happening in science or other things. If you have questions, I can help you during this time. Sometimes we play games. It's one, depends on how many people show up, and two, depends on how much time I have to make things. I know it doesn't seem like I should be very busy. I am very busy because I have a side project. I've been throwing together, with the help of all your teachers, the news videos that you may or may not be watching. Now, today is Furry Friends Day, and so I'm loving my puns. You ought to watch the news because I'm working hard on this. Don't worry, I'll stop once summer gets here, and the end is near. Not that kind of end, just the end of our online school, and then we'll have summer, and then we'll see what's next in the fall. Be well. Email me if you have questions. I look forward to seeing some of you in Zoom this afternoon.